Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the creator and owner of the Ultimate Gardening business. So today in this exciting spreading video, I have a product review for you guys. So today's product we're reviewing is the Proplugger from the Proplugger company. So we're also doing a giveaway towards the end of the video, so please stay tuned with us. So guys, here is the Proplugger tool right here, you guys. One of the best garden tools I have seen yet, you guys. So this is a family-owned business, you guys. Family-owned business is one of my favorite businesses out there because family-based companies and businesses be more successful because you have the support of your own family. I know that firsthand because most of my team members are family and my parents support me throughout this whole garden journey. So I know family support is a huge thing in what you do. So I know family-owned companies and businesses are important. So we're gonna go ahead in a second plant a few plants with this Proplugger, and I'm gonna show you how to use it and a few details on it. But I'm more excited because we partnered up with the Proplugger tool to give away one Proplugger tool and 3 plants from my brand new collection, you guys. So one lucky winner will be able to get the Proplugger tool and 3 brand new plants from my brand new collection. So just to mention, it's USA residents only, but there's more details towards the end of the video. But the 3 coleuses are the Wasabi coleus, the Beaming Burgundy coleus, and the Fireblaze Green coleus. So these are all the things that will be going to one lucky winner, you guys. So please stay towards the end of the video to learn on what to do to enter. So let's go ahead and move to the area in which where we're going to be using this garden tool. So guys, here is where we're going to go ahead and plant and use the Proplugger. So I'm going to go ahead and be planting a geranium, or the botanical name, which is Polygranium. But right here, we're going to be using one of the attachments they sent right here. This is more wider in circumference, but they sent a second one which is narrow, so depends on the size of your plant. But I used the more wider one because the pot is more wider. But there's different ways to use the Proplugger. So one way, which is I'm gonna go ahead and use right here. So in order to plant this for it could like fit in the hole, you're gonna have to do 3 times the hole. So right here we're gonna start as 1, 2, 3. And there is the hole that we're gonna need. But also you're just gonna go ahead and flip the tool upside down, and all the soil should come right back out. Right there. So as you can see right here is the hole. Pretty good size hole right here. Pretty sure the plant will fit right in there. Yep, right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out. We're gonna go ahead and loosen the root ball up. Plant it. Fill it back up. Pat it down with the soil, and we're done. That's how easy it is to use this garden tool. Not that hard, but yeah. So I have another one to plant, so let's go ahead and move over to that one as well. So you guys, as you can see, that's how you use the Proplugger. One of the easiest garden tools to use in the garden. One of the most best garden tools I have seen yet. As you can see, it wasn't that hard to make the holes, neither to go ahead and plant the actual plants. So there's many different ways on how to plant and use the garden tool Proplugger. I'll be leaving a link towards their channel right here, and also in the link in the description below. So I highly recommend their channel. Go ahead and check them out, watch their videos, subscribe to them. and see how you can use this garden tool in case you win. So now to the point where all the details on the giveaway, you guys. So once more, we've partnered up with the Proplugger company to go ahead and give away one Proplugger, and I'm going to be giving away 3 plants from the Ultimate Gardening Plant Collection 2020, you guys. First giveaway we have done yet, but one of my favorite giveaways, I will say that now. So we're going to be giving away the Wasabi Coleus, the Beaming Burgundy Purple Coleus, and the Fireblaze Green Coleus, you guys. So one lucky winner will win the Proplugger and the 3 coleuses, you guys. So the only thing you have to do to enter this giveaway, you guys, first you have to be subscribed to the Ultimate Gardening channel, and in order to enter, you have to like this video and also comment down below your favorite evergreen to plant during the fall and winter seasons. But once you put that, the evergreen and what you like to plant on the fall and winter seasons, your favorite evergreen, please leave me contact info, because last time we did the giveaway I chose people from YouTube and none of them answered. So this time I would like you to leave an email address so I could reach out to you if you win the Proplugger in this giveaway. So this giveaway runs for only U.S. residents only. This giveaway will run all the way until Saturday, and on Sunday we will be announcing the giveaway winner, YouTube and Instagram. So make sure to go ahead and check me out on Instagram, which is at ultimate_gardening, and also check out Plugger's Instagram account. All their social media links will be down below for you to check out. So I highly recommend their links. They're one of the best companies I have seen yet, you guys. I will say that. So once more, enter while you can, you guys. This is one of my favorite giveaways I have done yet, you guys. I'm really excited. So yeah, once more, a huge shout out to the Proplugger company for sending this out for me to try out this year, and also doing this amazing giveaway with us. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up for you guys. So guys, that's it for this exciting, inspiring video. Once more, huge shout out to the Proplugger company for sending this out for me to try out this year, and also partnering with us to do this giveaway. So yeah, once more, a link towards all of this will be down below for you to just check out, and also a link towards my new plant launch collection will be down below for you to check out. Highly recommend them, you guys. If you could purchase something, it'll be amazing, you guys, because the money is going towards someone special. If you would like to know where it's going, look at the other video, which the link will be up here for you to check out. In the description, it tells where the money will be going towards. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting, inspiring video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting, inspiring video comes out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.